A 10-foot ladder is leaning against a wall. The base of the ladder is sliding away from the wall at a rate of 1 foot per second. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the base is 6 feet away from the wall? So, this is what we know right now at this very moment. We know that you're a ladder and you're 10 feet tall. Okay, don't know why I made my L look like that. So let's just get rid of it and pretend it never happened. My L is going to be 10 feet tall. I'll call you my H and I'll call you my B. What I have here is Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so I'm going to write out H squared plus B squared equals 10 squared, also known as 100. Now, what I need to do is I need to use related rates and ddt both sides. So I'm going to take the derivative with respect to t of both sides. All right, because this is mentioning my ladder sliding away from the wall at a rate of 1 feet per second, and I care about the speed at the top of the ladder sliding down. So that would be, I'm looking for dh dt, and I know what db dt is. So let's take the derivative of everything. The derivative of h squared with respect to t is 2h dh dt. The derivative of b squared is very similar, 2b db dt. The derivative of 100 is 0. That's nice. So let's see what I also know, because I seem to be missing a little bit of information. I know at this very moment, I care about the fact that the base is 6 feet away from the wall, so B is 6. I also know that if I use Pythagorean theorem, I can write out h squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared, find out that that's going to be 36 equals 100, subtract 36, subtract 36, h squared is going to equal 64, square root everything, and now we're not going to include a plus or minus, and find out that h is 8. I could have also used the fact that this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle doubled, but nah. So h is 8, so 2 times h. dh dt is going to be the speed at which the height is changing, and that's what I'm looking for. So dh dt, no changes there, plus 2 times b is 6, 6 at the moment, and db dt is 1 because that's how fast it's sliding away. That's going to equal 0. So 16 dh dt plus 12 equals 0. Subtract 12, 16 dh dt equals negative 12. Divide by 16, divide by 16, and you get dh dt equals negative 3/4. Now my unit of measure is feet per second, so we'll say feet per second. And there you have it. That's the ladder problem. Fun, fun, fun.